people behind the scenes that put all this shit together so we can come and do this for you, and you can come and do this for us. So make some fucking noise for everyone behind the scenes here today, guys. Come on! We also want to make some noise and thank all of our fucking crew that work so fucking hard day in and day out to bring this show on the road so we can come here and play to you fucking awesome people every day. Make some noise for our crew, guys. Come on! All one of them, because the other one lost his fucking passport yesterday. What a silly cunt. Can I get a big shout out, actually? Can I get everyone in here to say, fuck you, Joey? Fuck you, Joey! Hang on a minute, I haven't said when yet. After three, say, fuck you, Joey, alright? 1, 2, 3! Fuck you, Joey! Thank you, I'll be here, Joe. But most importantly, we want to dedicate this song to each and every one of you in here tonight. This is We Are the Road Crew! Another town, another place, another girl, another face, another truck, another race. I need a truck, I'm picking bad, another night I'm going bad. A woman's feeling, I feel sad. Nothing's not on me, another beer is what I need, another thing my ears bleed. What is that? We are the road crew. Another town I've left behind, another drink completely blind, another hotel I can find. Another passing you, another shoe is still blue, another water to get through. Driving like a maniac, find my way to hell and back, another room and taste the back. What is that? We are the road crew. Another hotel we can burn, another screw, another turn, another you're about to learn. Another church up on the way, another game that I can play, another word I never say.